Okay, this is the Promaster 28mm f2.8 lens that I have. I'll show you the aesthetics. Focusing is smooth. This is a FD lens. I'm gonna show you later the blades and everything. So this is the glass in front, glass in the back. I'm gonna mount it on for you to see. So yeah, blades work. Okay. Okay. All right. Gonna do the shine test to see if there's any organic growth. From the front. Okay. Show you an example of a new lens, how it's supposed to look like. This is a Yongnuo 1.8. Show you the shine test results, so you can compare between them. So this is new, so I assume that this is fine, and yeah, there you go. Thanks everyone.